So our traditional season at Jackson Blue Springs here in Marianna was from Memorial Day to Labor Day, fluctuating weekends and weekdays depending on the local Jackson County School Board schedule. This year, with the improvements and additional safety features that we have, we felt comfortable to go ahead and open up a little earlier. So we're going to be opening on March 22nd, which is the Jackson County, the local school board's spring break here. And so we'll be open the full week from the 22nd to the next weekend, and then we'll be operating weekends only until Memorial Day. And then Memorial Day will be open 7 days a week until first part of August when schools go back, and then we'll be operating weekends only from then until Labor Day. I mean, Jackson Blue Springs is the heart of Jackson County as far as I'm concerned. Everybody's got their opinion. I think it's one of the foremost facilities that we have here in the county. County maintained, state-owned facility, and we run concession stand. We won't have boat rentals. We've got layout areas around the walkway here around the water. We got more floating docks coming in. So, I mean, it's going to be something that everybody can come out and enjoy. If you're a swimmer, if you're a kayaker, if you're a lounger, it doesn't matter. We got something here for you. So we're adding a total of about 30 days to the season. Open days. Now, it's stretched over the course of 2 months, you know, granted with weekends only. But, you know, we've already advertised for positions. We've got some interested candidates from last year that's already been lifeguard certified. They've been out here, they worked, they know what the layout is, and we're going to give it a try. Hopefully we can get some people to come out and enjoy. Our hours are 9:30 to 6 whenever we're open. We don't fluctuate. Weekends, it don't matter. That's our hours. So the water opens at 10. So, you know, people get here at 9:30, come in, pay the admission, set up, and by then, about 10 o'clock, we'll open up the water. So we kind of do the similar thing in the evening. The water shuts down at 5:30. That gives people about half an hour to pack up and get things moved to the vehicles and out, and gates close at 6. Admission fee is $4 per person. Children 5 and under get in free. We do offer military first responder discount, half price, which is $2. And then we also offer a season pass for $30, but also with a half price for military first responder with identification.